In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments on LinkedIn posts. This handy feature can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a certain level of control over the conversations that unfold in the comment sections of your posts. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, we'll start by heading over to LinkedIn's website. Simply open your web browser, type linkedin.com into the address bar, and hit enter. This will take you to LinkedIn's homepage. If you haven't bookmarked LinkedIn yet, this is a great time to do so, making future visits quicker and easier. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You can choose a quick login method by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password, as you normally would. If you've set up two-factor authentication on your account, LinkedIn may prompt you to enter a verification code sent to your phone. Although it might seem like a small extra step, this keeps your profile secure. After successfully logging in, you'll find your avatar in the top right corner. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, choose View Profile to go directly to your LinkedIn page. Once there, scroll down to find your Activity section, where a selection of your recent posts is displayed. Click on Show All Posts to expand and access your complete posting history. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything you've shared and allows you to identify the specific post you wish to edit. Once you've found the post in question, look for the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the post. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Who Can Comment on This Post. Clicking on this will open a submenu where you can choose from several options for managing comments. You need to decide who you want to allow to comment on this post. LinkedIn typically offers options like allowing everyone to comment, restricting it so only your connections can comment, or disabling comments entirely by selecting No One. Choose the option that best serves your needs and intentions for the post. Once you've made your choice, simply click Done to save your changes. Just like that, you've tailored the settings to manage your post interactions based on your preferences. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the steps for disabling comments on your LinkedIn posts. By following these instructions, you can now exercise greater control over the conversation on your profile, ensuring it reflects your professional needs and preferences.